So what we are doing in our previous class is that we build this particular syntax directed translation scheme. Syntax directed translation scheme, right? Now we have the input string as 23 star 5 plus $4. Now what are the sequence of moves? Sequence of moves, right? For the string 23 star 5 plus 4. So in this we know that in case of this we for implementation of syntax directed translation we make use of a stack having two types of arrays. One is state. One name of the one array is state, and second is corresponding value. Now initially stack is empty, right? Initially stack is empty. Next is current input symbol. So it is a very simple one, right? Okay, we scan this particular. This is my current input symbol, and value is empty, right? State and value, right? Because with respect to two, there is nothing. Third is that now with respect to two, what should I write? I write this particular handle, right? This is a digit. Digit will get replaced by I. So this is I. What is the semantic action associated with that? That I dot value, the value of this state, right? This is my value of this particular state. I dot val is equals to digit dot lexval. So this means this is the value of the digit that is written by lexical analysis. So this is I comma two, right? Fourth move in my stack is that what is my next symbol, right? Next symbol is three here, right? Okay. So this is my third move. First in our stack, this is my stack, right? Okay. I'm implementing my syntax directed translation through stack, through stack. This is my stack here, right? Initially, my stack is empty. The very current symbol here of my string is 2. I inputted this particular 2. The corresponding value, because this is a digit. So corresponding value with respect to is nothing. Then third step says that now this is a digit. Then what is the corresponding production with respect to this? So if you look at the seventh production, that is I tends to digit because this is bottom up parsing. We're applying some bottom up parsing. So we are applying some bottom up parsing. So in case of bottom up parsing, this digit, now this is a digit, right? This is a digit will get replaced by left hand side of the production rule. So this digit will get replaced by I. So when I replace this particular digit, right, when I substitute this particular handle, then the corresponding semantic action will work. What is my corresponding semantic action? Now this is the very first array is state, second is value. So what is the value of I dot val? So I dot val says that it is nothing but digit dot lex value. And digit dot lex value is nothing but 2 in this particular. So that is the third step. I is the state and corresponding value is 2. Right. Okay. So now this is replaced by I and this is 2 here, right? Okay. So the next current input symbol is 3. So here it comes 3. No lex value, no value is attached with this. This is the fourth. Is it clear? This is I2. Just I pushed this particular next input symbol onto the stack. Now this becomes I3 here. If you see here, this becomes I3. This becomes I3. So I3 will basically I followed by digit. So when I followed by digit, the corresponding handle is I. So in fifth move of the stack, I write here I. I write here I, right? With respect to the corresponding production, I tends to I followed by digit. I followed by digit. Clear? I write I tends to I followed by digit. So what is the corresponding value at this particular place? So corresponding value is that I dot val is equal to 10 multiplied by I1 dot val. Okay. So this is my I1, I1 dot val. So what is I1 here? This is I followed by I1. The value of I1 is I1 dot val is 2 and followed by digit. Digit is here 3, right? So the corresponding semantic action will not be generated like this. This is generated something like this. This is 10 multiplied by what is the I val? I1 dot val. I1 dot val is 2 plus what is the meaning of digit? Digit dot lex val, that is 3. So it gives me 23 here. So I and it gets replaced by here 23. Is it clear? Now sixth move. Right. Sixth move says that something like this. Okay. Now we have I 23 corresponding value. We will check next symbol. Next symbol is star here. No corresponding value is associated. So this is this one, I star. First of all, that before to this is not a correct one, right? 1 minute. I will produce one more thing to make it possible, as it will not be possible. Right? I will replace it with E, right? And I will write here 23. Because this is a production that is E tends to I. Okay. Then in the seventh spot, what should I do? Because I have to do reduction and find the final answer onto my stack or final value on my stack. So this is E, this is 23, and this is star here, right? Is it fine? This is my seventh move. This is my sixth move. This is my seventh move. I just inputted this particular, pushed this particular entry onto the top of the stack. I push this particular entry onto the top of the stack, right? So no reduction is possible at this particular place. So I will again move to the next one, right? Okay. I will again move to the next one. That is the eighth move. In eighth move, what should I will see here? E23, then star, this one, then the next symbol is 5, right? Now, what should I do in the ninth move? E23, star this one, this is my digit, apply rule number 7, this is I, corresponding value is digit 5. What is my 10th move now? This is E23, star, nothing. This I will be popped and E will be entered. Why? Because this is E tends to I, corresponding value is 5. What is my 11th move? What is my 11th move? Can you tell me? What should I do now? Can you complete this entire moves? Rule 3, right? So complete this entire move, right? Complete all the moves and tell me what is the final entry on the stack. Okay, tell me what is the final entry onto the stack, right? In this way, you will complete all the moves and process the entire string and tell me what is the final entry on the stack and what is the corresponding value of that. Okay, right? So take your time of 3 or 4 minutes, then we will start the next. Rohan, are you working on this? Right. Tell me the final entry on the stack, right? What is the value of state and what is the value? And what are the number of moves there? Okay. 163. No, 163 is not. This is 119. In book, this is 19119. Check it out. This is 119. Okay, fine, fine. Great. Right. So write down one more problem, right? Consider the following grammar. Consider the following grammar, right? E tends to E plus T, E tends to T, E tends to E minus T, T tends to F tends to digit, right? So first question is construct syntax directed translation scheme. Directed translation scheme. Second is build complete parse tree for complete parse tree for 2 plus 9 minus 6. Third is show the sequence of moves to compute 2 plus 9 minus 6. Okay, right. So perform do this, right? Okay, note down this particular question and try to implement this by yourself. Okay. After this, we will start with intermediate code generation. We'll start with intermediate code generation. So you will complete this, right? Okay, this is a very simple one, right? So in next lecture we start with intermediate code generation, right? So any doubts? Any doubt? Right. So from next lecture we start the next topic, that is intermediate code generation, right? Okay, okay then bye.